Project Point Brake, an E.C.D custom Defender 90 soft top built to our client's exact specifications. Point Brake is painted in full gloss cool khaki grey with silver accents all round. Point Brake sits on 20-inch Kahn Mondale retro wheels with BFG all-terrain tyres. This D90 features a classic front bumper, E.C.D silver metal steering guard, 4 round LED spotlights up front and 1 work light at the rear. Inside, Project Point Brake features a Momo Prototipio steering wheel wrapped in beige leather with vintage gauges, 2 Puma modular front seats and 4 inward-facing jump seats in the rear. Each seat is finished in a horizontal distressed mineral blue leather stitched together in Garrett beige. Also featured in the cargo area is the E.C.D American Oak wood deck, finished in teak. This D90 is powered by our GM 6.2 litre V8 LT1 engine with 8-speed automatic transmission. Project Point Brake also features an array of modern elements such as JL Audio sound system, Apple CarPlay and access to USB ports throughout.